Right, so we've done this so many times now that this should be easy. Okay, our big key fact is that when we have angles that come off around 1 point, it is a full turn, and in a full turn there are 360 degrees. So if you see a point like this with angles coming off, think 360. So here we are, we have a point and angles coming off. We know that this angle here is 130, and we need to find this missing angle here. So I know that 130 add whatever that angle is 360 degrees. Okay, let's use the inverse. So 360 degrees, if I take away 130, I get the missing angle. 60 take away 30 is 30, 300 take 100 is 200. So my answer is 230 degrees. I know that's right because it's bigger than a straight line. Have a look at another one. So we can imagine this as a turn. If I'm facing forward and I turn through 50 degrees, how far do I need to turn to be facing the same way again? Again, I've got my point, so I know that whole thing is 360. 360 take away 50 is 310 degrees. Okay, I'm working with easy numbers. You will probably need to use a column method just to be sure. Okay, so that missing angle is 310 degrees. How do I check? 310 add 50 is 360. Okay, something a bit more complicated now. I've got 3 missing angles there. So, first of all, I see this. If ever I see this, I think 90. It's probably a good idea just to write down the number 90 there. So let's think of it as our bar. So 360 is our whole, 145 is a part, 90 is a part, and we have our missing number. So first of all, we need to work out what this bit is. Okay, 145 add 90. Okay, 145 add 90. 5 add 0 is 5, 4 add 9 is 13, 1 add 1 is 2. So 235 degrees. So what do I need to do to find this bit? I need to get rid of this bit, so I need to take it away. So 360 take away 235. Can't do 0 take away 5 no matter how hard I try, so 10 take away 5 is 5, 5 take away 3 is 2, 3 take away 2 is 1. Our missing number is 125 degrees. How do I check that? 145 add 125 add 90. If I'm right, that will add up to 360. 5 add 5 is 0, it's 10. Okay, 9 add 1 is 10, add 4 add 2, which is 6 is 16. 1 add 1 add 1 is 360 degrees, so I am right. Now here we've got another one, we've got some more here. Okay. So, and we know the drill by now. We're going to add these all up and take it away from 360. Okay, so 100, add 80, add 70. 8 add 7 is 15, 1 minus 2. So I know that these 3 add up to 250 degrees. 360 take away 250 is 110 degrees. So X is 110 degrees. One, you need to notice that these letters are the same, which means that these angles are the same. Okay, we also notice that this is 90, so let's write that down, 90 degrees. Let's imagine it on our bar, 360 degrees. Oh, that's way too big. Come on, Mr. Nels. I've done exactly the same thing again. So we've got 90 degrees. Then we have B and B, which are the same. So we need to work out what this bit is first. To do that, we do 360, take away 90. Now, this is a number we should remember. We'll work it out anyway. So we need to borrow there. 16 take away 9 is 7. 2 take away 0 is 2. 270. Okay. When I keep adding right angles, I get 90, 180, 270, 360. They're 4 numbers we need to remember. They come up quite a lot. So now I know that 2 of these are 270. How do I find one of them? Let's divide by 2. 170 divided by 2. 2 into 2 goes 1. 7 divided by 2 is 3. Remainder 1. 10 divided by 2 is 5. Remainder 1. So B is 135 degrees. B is 135 degrees. Let's add them up to check them right. So 135 add 135 add 90. If I'm right, the answer will be 365. 5 to 5 is 10. Okay, 9 to 1 is 10. Add 3 to 3 is 16. 101 is 360, which means I am right.